Hi there, and I hope this continued coronavirus is not causing too much of a problem and that you're keeping well and safe. Are you finding much to do to stave off the boredom? What to do when all the jobs that you were catching up on have been done and your other half has run out of ideas for you? That was a dilemma I faced, and so I came up with my own idea, a jigsaw puzzle challenge. One of the most iconic diagrams is the plan of the London Underground. And here I have a copy of it, better known as the Tube, of course. If I take away all the boring white areas and just show the lines, the stations and the TfL logo, there are 672 pieces left in this jigsaw puzzle. I wondered if I could fit them all in the correct place in a time of 3 hours and 44 minutes. That's just 20 seconds per piece, and there's no break for one of these or one of these. But you don't have to wait nearly 4 hours to see the results, as I'm going to speed up the filming so that it lasts around just 4 minutes. So here we go, accompanied by some violin music from Lindsay Sterling. Oh, and the title of the music? Underground. Well, unfortunately, I didn't manage to do the task in time. It beat me by just 17 pieces, as you can see up the top there. But never mind, I gave it my best shot, and maybe better luck another time. But hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.